In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Safari not working on a Mac. So let's get started. Now the first fix is just simply force quitting Safari and reopening it, okay? So just go here, you can click on force quit and choose Safari and click force quit, okay? Or you could just do Command Q, but sometimes this doesn't work, so then you can just use the other way, okay? So Command Q and then reopen it, and this should fix the issue, yeah? Now if it doesn't fix the issue, then we have many other fixes. So for the next fix, we have clear cache, history, and web data. So to do this, just go to Safari, then settings. From here, you have to go to privacy, and from here, manage website data. Just go ahead and click on remove all, and remove all of them, and done, okay? And that's it. Then we have disable Safari extensions. So for this, I'm just gonna go ahead and click done. Have to wait for some time. And then go to extensions. And from here, you'll have to uncheck every extension you've installed. For me, I just have one extension, so you can just go ahead and uncheck it as well. Then we have turn off VPN or security apps. So if you're using VPN, antivirus, ad blockers, firewall apps, they can sometimes block Safari from loading pages. So make sure that they all are turned off. Then we have delete Safari cache files manually, okay? Or you could call it the deep reset. So for this, you'll have to first go to Finder, then click Command Shift and G, and you'll get this pop-up. Then just type this command in there, and then click on Enter. And then delete whatever is there in this folder, okay? So I have these two things, I can just go ahead and delete them. And then you have to restart your Mac, okay? And lastly, you can try seeing if you have a Mac OS update. So for that, just click on the Apple logo, go to System Settings. Then on the top here, you should see a System Update option. For me, I already updated it, so I don't see it anymore. But you can perhaps see if it's there and just update it. And if that doesn't work, then try creating a new user account, and hopefully that fixes the issue. But yeah, those are basically all the issues and all the fixes that you could do to make sure that it fixes. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.